How many times do you check Facebook Marketplace, a notorious place for all the best deals and the best negotiations and the one-of-a-kind buys you'll never find anywhere else? Yeah, one of a kind. But every now and then you do come across a good deal, and today I found a $1,000 BMW. What kind of crackhead would want that $1,000 BMW? This crackhead. But I did a little negotiation with the owner and talked him down to $1,000. The next morning I went out to Mississippi, and like that, it was my car. And here it was, my $1,000 BMW. So we drove it all the way back to the shop in Georgia, and in 30 minutes we got it started.
Hey, the first night we got it right.
Was just a starter. And instantly I went to buy a turbo kit to put on the $1,000 BMW. No. And that's what you'll see in this video, installing the turbo kit on the $1,000 335i.
But you got no confidence like me. Really wanna run around and chase me.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Old intercooler jump. Let's take a break working on the M54 and give an update everyone's been wanting on the bonded title. It's just getting started. After opening up the paperwork, they said I was denied the vehicle history report from Mississippi. The last thing I need on my title bond. I went up back to my tag office and talked to the supervisor there. Basically, she apologized that she forgot to fill out a piece of information that she was supposed to send out herself. And she took back all my paperwork and corrected the piece of paper that she forgot to fill out. Says it's all good now and is on the way back to Mississippi to the Department of Revenue. I'm praying it comes back and it will be good that I can get the vehicle history report to get my bonded title. So still nothing on my behalf or nothing wrong with the car and stolen or anything weird like that. Just workers not knowing what they're doing and setting me behind. Let's get back to putting this big turbo on. Old water pump. So that is what I needed to mount an oil cooler on this car to go with the oil thermostat. Get out! It's so hot, the camera just shut off. It's just sitting right here and overheating. Harness looking a lot better for now until we get our DI delete. That is one thing we will be waiting on this car to go full E85, is we are waiting on Nexi's DI delete kit. In the $1,000 car, I still have not messed with the spark plugs, and this is the spark plug I just took out. It was a Bosch. Honestly, doesn't look too bad. I've seen a lot worse than this one. We're gonna go ahead and take out the rest of these though and move on to putting the step 2 coulter plugs, the step 2 B58 plugs in there. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. This plug looks a lot worse. Swift working on a crank hub today on the M4. Already got it knocked out. Really just putting everything back together, and he's about to go ahead and start on the downpipes. This customer as well is getting some upgraded downpipes put on. Trying to get out this bolt from my manifold. We got some proper bits and bigger extractors. So hopefully we'll be able to take it out today. Pop up the before, now back with the after. It just totally transformed that light. Just some normal compound and buffing it. transform this old headlight. Thing we had to also do for maintenance was the power steering pulley was going out, so we went ahead and I bought one that was all aluminum. This little silver color that can go with the rest of the engine bay. Just saw the M3 bumper we bought for $300. I knew I'd find a steal. Like I said, finally we're gonna throw that on as well and see how it looks all with the headlight intake.
Damn! Come on. Damn.
Thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. We're no longer on the road to 1K anymore. And you're not just my subscribers, you're my family. Everyone who has supported this journey from the beginning till now. But this is only the beginning. Road to 2K, 5K, and 10K. There's no telling what it can go to from here. We're going to be grinding even harder the rest of 2024. Better equipment and better cameras, all that good stuff. And I couldn't be here in this position I'm at without God. Thank you, Lord, for everything that I do have. And this is just the beginning of the journey. It is a small milestone, but means a lot to me. There's so much more to come from this. I'm not trying to sound corny, but for anyone out there who wants to chase their dreams, it don't matter what it is, make sure you try your best and take the risk. Nothing is going to come easy in life. You have to put in so much effort. I appreciate everyone again for 1,000 subscribers, especially for the people who have supported from the very beginning. It's only up from here. And for the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, I decided to throw together the best moments of the YouTube channel so far. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, keep sharing with everyone, and keep the support going so I can keep making these videos. So I want to say we are so close to 500 subscribers. Shout out for everyone that's been supporting on the channel recently. You want to race, man?
What do you want to do, buddy?
We can take it on the road right now.
Take it on the road right now. We'll get on down through there.
We'll get on right there, boy.
I like how you doing the recording. Dope as fuck.
She ain't first.
You last.
Tell him.
Tell him one more time for the camera. If you ain't first, you last.
You wouldn't know anyone trying to race, do you, brother?
No, I mean, Z1's down the road.
Free lemonade, free, bro, free, bro. Oh yeah, bro, appreciate it, bro, appreciate it, bro.
Don't let them know.
Yeah, man.
Don't let me hang, man.
Man, I got
Put the camera down. You got me, man?
Put the camera down.
Oh, shit.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down and stop recording. Clean up your mess. Clean up the mess. You're
That shit's good, ain't it?
Alright.
Woo!
I'm calling the police.
Fuck. No. Listen to me, bro. Listen to me, bro.
Making my way downtown, walking fast.
Nice right there. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. You don't mind me asking. You think this will give me some bitches right here, man?
Hell no.
Fuck. I've been doing YouTube and I came here to buy some shirts. You think this will get me some bitches?
You gotta be kidding. Who are you doing this for?
I was wondering, do you think these will get me any women? What about this one, man? What about this one?
I don't know. I think what's gonna get you bitches is your mouthpiece.
For school?
What the hell?
That boy getting nervous. Is that okay if I do?
Not right now.
A few minutes later.
What? Where you going, Dawson?
I got...
Bro, who does he look like, bro?
Yo!
Look at the haircut.
Nigga retarded. Nigga is retarded, bro.
What's up, man?
How you doing, bro? How are you the best, man?
I ain't gonna say all that.
tonight, bro?
You already know, bro. Shit, we outside.
Pull up lever, the seats is leather. It made me sweat up cause I let her. She in his pockets because
Shit, man.
It's sick. Cause you said big money, shred it. Let her know. Big money. Yes, sir.
It started getting a little wicked in the back there.
What's up, man? We're at the Colorado 420 Fest having a fucking blast and getting stoned off my ass. All you gotta go out there and subscribe to YouTube to Imnowah, baby.
and I ain't got no time to be wasted. I'm crazy, nigga, sitting in my brain. Nigga running up on me is a mistake. I'm a boss. 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 I play the shots.
Sorry, Don. Not for me.
I'm not hitting that jump.
You hit it. You hitting it.
You hit it crazy, bro.
For everyone watching this,